How does species diversity affect ecosystem stability? Imagine walking through a lush forest or a vibrant coral reef. Have you ever wondered how the variety of life around you keeps these places healthy and strong? Well, the number of different species and how evenly they are spread out play a big role in keeping ecosystems steady over time. Species diversity has two main parts: species richness, which is simply how many different species live in an area, and species evenness, which shows how equally individuals are spread among those species. Both parts matter when it comes to ecosystem stability. When there are many different species, the ecosystem is more likely to bounce back after a disturbance. For example, if some plants or animals are affected by a storm or disease, others can step in and keep things running smoothly. This is called the insurance effect of biodiversity. It means that having a variety of species acts like a safety net, helping the ecosystem stay productive and balanced even when faced with challenges. Ecosystems where biomass or the number of individuals is spread out evenly among species tend to be more stable than those dominated by just a few. If one species takes over, the whole system becomes more vulnerable to threats that target that species. Balanced communities avoid putting all their eggs in one basket, so to speak. Long-term studies show that the positive influence of species diversity on stability can grow stronger over time. In grasslands, for instance, different species often use resources at different times or in different ways. This complementarity means that when some species decline, others pick up the slack, smoothing out overall productivity. But it's not always simple. How species interact across different levels, like plants, herbivores, and predators, can make the relationship more complex. For example, having many prey species can stabilize food webs by giving predators more options. If one prey species drops, others can still provide food, preventing chaos. There has been some debate about whether more species can sometimes make an ecosystem less stable. Early models suggested that adding more species could cause instability. But newer studies that include real-world complexities show that, generally, more species lead to more stability. In practical terms, protecting and restoring biodiversity helps ecosystems resist environmental changes like climate shifts or human impacts. Diverse ecosystems are better at providing essential services like clean water, food, and carbon storage. To sum up, having a wide variety of species makes ecosystems more resilient by providing redundancy, helping different species work together, and buffering against environmental ups and downs. While interactions among species can influence this effect, overall, biodiversity is a key factor in keeping ecosystems healthy and stable over time.